The Virgin Islands morning was usually quiet. Stable easterly winds made sure the boat on the mooring ball only swing in a small range. Without big movements and consequently mooring lines scratching the front of the hose, we had a very good sleep overnight. Leaving on the boat, we mostly sit, stand, or lie down. It's good to stretch and do some cardio whenever there is chance. Today's plan is to sail to the Magens Bay beach, one of the best beaches in the entire Caribbean, a mile-long sandy beach sandwiched by hills on both sides. We'll be downwind all the way with the wind about 50 knots, which is perfect. One of the downsides of self-tacking jibe is that the jibe track is not long enough by any means. It's only limited to the center of the boat. In a reaching situation, the clew is pulled inward, closing the leech. Some people suggested rigging a second line through the clew, lead it to a block on the beam, then back to the winch. With this extra line, you can ease the jibe sheet more to open the leech and use the new line to adjust the sail angle. Since we need to jibe multiple times, I'll save some trouble. Honestly, we don't mind sailing a little bit slower. We're in such a beautiful place after all. There is no need to hurry. With easterly winds, the best way to sail to Magens Bay Beach is to cut through these two small islands, then jibe going downwind. Not a surprise, the sea becomes rougher when we approach the deeper area, but not nearly as bad as yesterday when we sailed south. After making the cut, the sea became smoother. The northern side of St. Thomas with all the houses on the cliff is quite a different view from St. John. It kinda reminds me of Northern California. In my opinion, this is one of the nicest places to sail around. It's time to immerse ourselves in this scenic route. In no time, we'll reach Magens Bay Beach. After the final jibe passing the reef, we were in the horseshoe-shaped bay. Dropped the main further jibe. Between the hills on both sides is a mile-long white sandy beach, clear serene water with all shades of blue. Drop the anchor, attach the bridle. Now it's time to relax and take in all of this. I doubt there are many launch spots better than this. After lunch, it's time to explore. Tomorrow will be our last day in the Virgin Islands. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.